Hey everyone, so today I'm building a forest kitchen at the off-grid cabin. Come along. Come, this way. This way. Actually, it's that way. Well, that way, okay. So, why build a forest kitchen anyway? Well, the answer is simple. Bugs. I love bugs. Can't get enough of them. I love it when they bug me. I love it when they bite me. I just love... So I'm going to use nothing but all natural materials in my forest kitchen because I believe in a pristine environment like this, a natural environment like this, you really should make use of what's already there and what's available to you. So I'm going to start with these stumps here, right? I'm going to start with these stumps. So yeah, that's looking good right there. Yeah. So what do you think? This is a good start. I'm gonna keep working on this though. All right, it's really coming together at this point. Whew, it's getting hot out here, so yeah. Yeah. Ah! Ow! Ah! And we're done. Yeah. So let's try this out now. This will be awesome. All right, so first test of the forest kitchen. Oops. Oh shit. Okay. And it's done. So at this point, all you want to do is add a little dirt, a little earth to your coffee to make it nice and refreshing and spiritual. So you get your good forest kitchen flavor in there. Maybe about a tablespoon worth, maybe a bit more depending on how rugged you're feeling. Give it a good stir. And there's the first coffee made in the forest kitchen at the off-grid cabin. And it's delicious. Quite delicious. And it's so worth it, you know, it's so worth it out here to make your own food in your own forest kitchen. But we're not done here. We've got to make our first meal in the forest kitchen. So let's do that right now. As many of you know, I love cooking. I love cooking, and there's nothing better than preparing your own meal in your forest kitchen at your off-grid cabin. All right, here we go. Oh, it's sliding. I didn't know if it's gonna turn properly. And there you have it. And there we go. Oh, ah, ooh, she's hot. Yeah. So let's do a taste test. Oh, it's good. It's really hot though. It works really well. But yeah. My kitchen is a huge success. It's a huge success. And there's nothing better than cooking in your forest kitchen at your off-grid cabin. Yeah. So that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and shit. And you'll get more great videos like this. From my off-grid cabin, I'm Russell. Cheers, everybody.